Here you have been told to prove that 1 by sine 2a plus cos 4a by sine 4a equal to cot a minus cos 4a. I'm starting from the LHS. 1 by sine 2a plus cos 4a by sine. Now here is 4a. This can be written as 2 dot 2a. This 4a can be written as 2 dot 2a. Now furthermore 1 by sine 2a plus cos 4a by, now listen carefully, okay, we have that sine 2a equals to 2 sine a cos a. We have this formula, but here is sine 2 into 2a, sine 2 dot 2a. Now you can see that this a is replaced by 2a, this 2 is same, this a is replaced by 2a, so our formula will be this. In place of this a, you write here 2a. In place of this a, you also write here 2a. This a is replaced by 2a, so this a will also be replaced by 2a. This a will also be replaced by 2a. So sine 2 into 2a is 2 sine 2a dot cos 2a. Sine 2a is 2 sine a cos a. In place of this, if we write here 2 into 2a, then this 2 is 2, and in this a is 2a here. So in place of this a, also you write here 2a in this way. So that is why sine 4a is converted into 2 sine 2a cos 2a. Now we'll take LCM here. 2 sine 2a sine 2a sine 2a, and then here cos 2a. Now we'll simplify. You have sine 2a here. What you don't have is 2 cos 2a plus cos 4a can be written as cos 2 dot 2a. This is cos 4a. Now we have the formula of cos 2a. This 4a is converted to 2 dot 2a. We have the formula of cos 2a. 2 cos square a minus 1. We have this formula. So then cos 2 dot 2a, if you write this 2a in place of this a, in place of this a, if you are going to write here 2a, then this will convert into 2 cos square 2a minus 1. So cos 4a is 2 cos square 2a minus 1. This is cos 4a. So in place of, so now what we have to do is, in place of this cos 2a, our formula is 2 cos square a minus 1. This is assumed to be a, using a. So 2 cos square a minus 1 divided by 2 sine 2a cos 2a. Now we'll take common from here. 2 cos 2a is common from the first two term. Last term is not taken into consideration. First, from the first two term we got 2 cos 2a common. Now what we have is 1 plus cos 2a minus 1 by 2 sine 2a cos 2a. And we get this. Now for the solving more, we come down. Now we are going to segregate this denominator. 2 cos 2a 1 plus cos 2a by 2 sine 2a cos 2a minus 1 by 2 sine 2a cos 2a. Okay, we got this now. Now we can cancel this cos 2a and 2 and 2. Now what we have is 1 plus cos 2a by sine 2a minus. Now this is 1, 2 sine a cos a. 2a like x in a mane. If this is taken as a, 2a like x in a mane. Suppose 2a is a. Now it will change into 2 sine a cos a. 2 sine a cos a is sine 2a. So we can write here sine 2a. Now 1 plus cos 2a. We have the formula of 1 plus cos 2a, 2 cos square a. 1 plus cos 2a is 2 cos square a, and sine 2a is 2 sine a cos a, and 1 by sine 4a is cosec 4a. Now 2 cancel, cos cancel. Now cos a by sin a is there, that is cot a minus cosec 4a. Now this is our solution. Okay, now see 8 cot a can be written as 1 by 10 8a. 8 is same, cot 8a is 1 by 10 8a. So now here one formula plays very important role, 10 to a. 10 to a is 2 10a by 1 minus 10 square a. Now if you have 10 8a, then see here is 2a and the half of 2a is here a. So if you have 8a, then you need to have the half of 8a, that comes to be 4a. यहाँ 2a हुँदा 2a को आधी थियो, त्यस्तै 8a हुँदा 8a को आधी यहाँ हुन्छ. So divided by 1 minus 10 square 4a. So this comes to be in this manner. So let us do the same thing. 10 2a plus 4 10 4a 4a plus 8. Now 10 8a is 2 10a. Now actually we have to write this 1 minus 10 square down, but if you reciprocal it, if you reciprocal this 1 minus 10 square 4a, now if you reciprocal it, this goes up here. So we are going to write it directly up there by doing a reciprocal. So it comes to be 1 minus 10 square 4a. So you have this thing here. Now 10a plus 10 2a. Now let us take the LCM of these two terms. You can cancel this 2 and 8 also, but without cancelling you can simply solve it here. 2 10 4a. Now LCM 4 2 is 8. 10 4a and into 10 4 is 10 square 4a plus 8 1 is 8 minus 8 into 10 square 4a is a 10 square 4a. Now this and this gets cancelled. What is left here is 10a plus 10 2a plus 8 by 2 10 4a. 2 4 is 8. Now 10a plus 10 2a plus 4 by 10 4a. Now I think the board might not be sufficient. Now we'll repeat the same thing here. You have 10a plus 10 2a plus 4. Now 10 4a can be, if 2a is 10 2a is 2 10a 1 minus 10 square a. 10 4a is 2 10 2a by, when you reciprocal this, it goes up and it becomes here 1 minus 10 square 2a. Okay. Now here you can cancel this part also. Now take the LCM of the second two terms. Take the LCM of the, we are going to take the LCM of the second two terms. You have 10a plus, so here you can write here 10 2a as your LCM. For the, we are taking the LCM of only the second two terms. Now 10 2a into 10 2a is 10 square 2a plus this you have here 2 here. 2 1 is 2 minus. Okay, here we need to correct the question. Here you have 2 in the question. So you have 2 in the question, that's why I am finding it literally odd. Okay, now simple multiply. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 10 square is 2 10 square 2a. Now we can cancel this and this. Now the thing that is left here are written further. Now you have 10a plus, you have 2 by 10 2a. Now let us further solve it here. Now when you solve it, now 10a is taken as 10a plus 2 is 2. Now again 10 to a. The formula is 2 tan A. You have a denominator 1 minus tan square. This goes off and it becomes like 1 minus tan square A. Now you can cancel 2 and 2. Now you can take the LCM of the remaining terms. You have tan A. Tan A into tan A gives you tan square A plus 1 minus tan square A. Now minus tan square plus tan square cancel. You have 1 by tan A and 1 by tan A is cot A, which is our right hand side. Though it looks quite difficult, if you have a practice for 2-3 times, then this comes to be not that complicated for you all. Okay, we're studying this problem from the left hand side. You have 4 here. Cos power 4a plus sin power 4a can be written as cos square a whole square plus sin square a whole square. Now here also cos power 4a minus sin power 4a can also be written as cos square a whole square minus sin square a whole square. 4. Cos square plus sin square, this can be written as a square plus b square. We can compare this with a square plus b square. Your formula is a plus b whole square minus 2a b divided by, now you have cos square a whole square minus sin square whole square. We can compare this with a square minus b square. Your formula is a plus b a minus b. 4. Cos square plus sin square is 1. 1 square is also 1 minus 2. Now here you have cos a and sin a together, so you can put it cos a sin a, you can put it here, give a square and multiply numerator and denominator by 2. This was how we had learned it before. Cos a and sin a are together being multiplied, so cos a sin a first. You have the square, so whole square. Now multiply numerator and denominator by 2. Okay, by cos square plus sin square is 1. Cos square minus sin square is cos. Okay, from here 4. Okay, you can put here 1 by cos 2a separately. What is left here is 4 1 is 4 minus 4 2 is 8. 2 sin a cos a is sin 2a. You also have square here by 2 square is 4. You got these things here. 1 by cos 2a is sec 2a. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. Now what is left here is 4 minus 2 sin square 2a. Now further we have sec 2a, 4 minus, now 2 sin square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta. So on the basis of the same formula 2 sin square theta, we'll write here 1 minus cos 2 theta. Okay, see, this is how it happens. 2 sin square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta. So here is theta, here will be, if here is theta, here is 2 theta. So if here is 2 theta, here will be, so if there is 2a, here will be 2 into 2, 4a. You can simply write here 4a directly. Now we are very close to our solution. You have sec 2a, 4 minus 1 minus into minus gives you plus cos 4a. So finally you have sec 2a, 4 minus 1 3 plus cos 4a as your solution. Okay, this one is as your solution. So hope that. Okay, I'm first solving this problem from the right hand side. From right hand side, you have cot a minus cot 8a. Cot 8a can be done as cos 8a by sin 8a. Cos 8a can be done as cos 2 into 4a, and sin 8a can be done as sin 2 into 4a cot a. Now we have the formula of cos 2a, 2 cos square a minus 1, 2 cos square A minus 1. We also have the formula of sine 2A. Sine 2A. 2 sine A cos A. Okay, now let us segregate the denominator. 2 cos square 4A by 2 sine 4A cos 4A minus 1 by 2 sine 4A cos 4A. Now 2 and 2 cancel. This cos square 4A and cos 4A also cancel. Now what you have left is cos 4A by sin 4A. You have cos 4A by sin 4A. Now minus and minus gives you plus 1 by 2 sin 4A sin 2 sin 4A cos 4A sin 8A. Now I'm going up again. Do the same thing here. You have cot A minus cos 4A can be written as cos 4 can be written as cos 2 dot 2A sin 2 dot 2A plus 1 by sin 8A can be written as cosec 8A. Now we got cosec 8A. Now we repeat the same procedure. Cot A cos 2A is 2 cos square A minus 1. Sin 2A is 2 sin A cos A plus cosec 8A as it is. Now we repeat the same thing. Now we segregate the denominator. 2 sin 2A dot cos 2A minus 1 by 2 sin 2A cos 2A is sin 4A. You can write it directly plus cosec 8A. Now we can cancel this 2 and 2. We can cancel cos 2A and cos 2A also. Now what is left here is cot A minus cos 2A by sin 2A cos 2A by sin 2A minus and minus gives you plus 1 by sin 4A is cosec 4A plus cosec 8A. Repeat the same process. Cot A minus cos 2A is 2 cos square A minus 1 and sin 2A is 2 sin A cos A plus cosec 4A plus cosec 8A. Now you can also write cot A as cos A by sin A. You can write this one also here. Now we take the now we just solve the bracket portion at first. Or if you feel easy, you can simply put it as cot A as well. Don't get confused with what I am doing. Cot A minus, let's segregate it, 2 cos square A by 2 sin A cos A minus 1 by, we also have to write 2 sin A cos A, that is sin 2A. We already have here cosec 4A plus cosec 8A. We already have this in the right hand side. Now we'll solve it furthermore. You have cot A already. 2 into cancel cos and cos cancel. You have cos A by sin, that is cot A minus minus plus 1 by sin 2A is cosec 2A. You already have cosec 4A plus cosec 8A. Now you can cancel these two terms and you have your LHS. Cosec 2A plus cosec 4A plus cosec 8A. You have this here in your RHS. Okay, these questions tell us to prove this identity. We have to prove it. Starting from LHS. you have 1 by sine 10. Now you have root 3 here. So we all know that root 3 is tan 60 degree. So in place of root 3, we are going to write tan 60 degree by cos 10 equals to 1 by sine 10. Now tan 60 degree can be written as sine 60 by cos 60 by cos 10. Furthermore, 1 by sine 10. Now we can reciprocal this part. When you reciprocal this part, it comes to be sine 60 by cos 60 dot cos 10. I just reciprocal this part. If you are confused how to reciprocal, then one see here. We will keep the numerator same, sine 60 by cos 60. Numerator will be kept same, and just below cos 10 you have 1. This one goes up, and you will have cos 10 left at the down here. This is the main denominator, or I mean to say that this is the major divide symbol. So this numerator will be kept same, and this will be just reversed. Now we take an LCM. Sine 10 cos 60 cos 10. Now we are taking an LCM. So you have sine 10 here. You don't, what you don't have is cos 60 into cos 10. So I'm going to write the same thing, cos 60 dot cos 10 minus, you have cos 60 here, cos 10 here. You don't have is sine 10. So here you write sine 60 dot sine 10. I just simplified this portion. Now I'm coming here. Now this looks like a formula, cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. A is 60 degree, B is 10. Cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. The formula is cos A plus B is the formula. In the denominator you have sin 10, cos 60 and cos 10. So sin 10 is sin 10 itself. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. The value of cos 60 is 1 by 2. And then the cos 10. Now reciprocal it again. Now this 2 goes up. It becomes like 2 cos 70. In the denominator you have sin 10 dot cos 10. Now I am multiplying both numerator and denominator by 2. 2 cos, in place of 70 we write 90 minus 20. This is what we can write in place of 70. Now 2 sin 10 cos 10. Now you might be wondering why we change this 70 into 90 minus 20. You will see it later on. You will know the reason later. 2 into 2 gives you 4. Cos 90 minus 20 is sin 20. Because we have the formula cos 90 minus theta equals to sin theta. So on the basis of same assumption, on the basis of formula like 2 into 2 is 4. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta divided by 2 sin A cos A. A is assumed to be 10. A is assumed to be 10. So 2 sin A cos A is sin 2A. Now it becomes 4 sin 20 by sin 20. 20 cancel. What you have left is 4. This is our RHS. So this is how we prove it. Okay, you can observe that 3 terms are given. Now we have to prove these 3 terms starting from the left hand side. So from LHS, what I have in LHS is cos power 6 theta plus sin power 6 theta. So we can write this in the form of a cube plus b cube. So I'm gonna write it cos square theta whole cube plus sin square theta whole cube. Now the formula of a cube plus b cube is a plus b a square minus a b plus b square. Now we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Now I'm grouping this together, this and this, I'm grouping it together. I mean I'm putting these two together. Okay, minus cos square theta sin square theta. Now this is not necessary to write 1 here. Now we can complete this with a square plus b square. Your formula is a plus b whole square minus 2ab minus cos square theta dot sin square theta. Now again, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Listen, what I did right now is I just used formula here, a square plus b square, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Now cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, and the square of 1 is also 1. Now minus. Now these two terms are like terms, so they can be solved. We can write it 3 cos square theta dot sin square theta. Now pay attention. Now listen carefully. Now I'm putting these three separately. Now if you observe cos and sin being multiplied, I repeat one more time. If you observe cos and sin being multiplied, then you have to put them together. Cos and sin being multiplied, along with the sin square here. If you see cos and sin together being multiplied, put them together, and if there is cube, write their cube. If there is power 4, write their power 4. Now what you have to do inside the bracket is you have to multiply numerator and denominator by 2. I am repeating one more times here. You have cos and sin together being multiplied. So these three as it is. Now write them, cos and sin together. You have square here, so give square. Now inside the bracket multiply numerator by 2 and denominator also by 2. Why we are doing this? To change this numerator into a formula. 2 sin theta cos theta. To write this in a form of formula. So I'm going to do the same. Now 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta by 2. We have whole square over here. Now it changes to 1 minus 3. Sin 2 theta square is sin square 2 theta, and this square is also 2. This is the square. 2 square is 4. We have come here. Now I am drawing the upper portion. Okay, now here. Now we can take LCM. We had this here, 1 minus 3 sin square 2 theta by 4. We were here. Now we can take LCM. 4 1 is 4 minus 3. Look, the middle term is in the form of cos. Here, the middle term is in the form of cos. So we can change this sin square theta into cos square theta. We know that sin square theta, this is assumed to be theta. 2 theta is taken as theta. So sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. Now multiply it. 3 1 is 3. Minus and minus gives you plus. 3 into cos square theta is 3 cos square 2 theta. Okay. And you have 4 in the denominator. Now 4 minus 3 is 1 plus 3 cos square 2 theta and 1 by 4. This is our middle term. Equals to middle term. Now we got the middle term. Now we also have to get the right hand side. Now to get the right hand side, we take this middle term and solve the problem. So this is our middle term. Now further solving the middle term, we'll be getting the right term. So I'm further solving the middle term. The middle term was from the middle term. From the middle term, what you have in the middle term is 1 by 4, 1 plus 3 cos square 2 theta. You have 8 here. It means that you have to multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So 2 and 4 into 2. Why did I do so? To get this 8 here. Now you have 2. Now you can multiply. 2 1 is 2. 2 into 3 cos square 2 theta is 6 cos square 2 theta. And 4 2s are 8. This can be separately written as 1 by 8. Now 2 plus, now this 6 can be written as 3 into 2. Furthermore, now 2 cos square theta. Yesterday in the last class or the previous class we talked about 2 cos square theta. 2 cos square theta. Here is 2 theta, we'll take this 2 theta as theta. Here is 2 theta, we'll take this 2 theta as theta, and we all know the formula 2 cos square theta. 2 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta. Here is theta, here will be 2 theta. So 2 cos square 2 theta will be 1 plus cos 2 theta. This theta, in place of theta you have 2 theta. So similarly, in place of this theta you also need to have 2 theta. So 2 cos square 2 theta is 1 plus cos 4 theta. Listen, one more time. 2 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta. In place of this theta you have 2 theta. So in place of this theta you also need to have 2 theta. So it will be like 1 plus cos 4 theta. Now multiply this. 3 1 is 3 plus 3 cos 4 theta. Now one more step. 1 by 8. 2 plus 3 gives you 5 plus 3 cos 4 theta. This is our right hand side. This is our RHS. Okay, I am starting this problem from the left hand side. So you have sine power 4 theta here. This can be written as sine square theta whole square. Now inside the bracket I am multiplying both numerator and denominator by 2. 2 sine square theta and square by 2. Now we all know the formula of 2 sine square theta. The formula of 2 sine square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta. So in place of 2 sine square theta we can write here 1 minus cos 2 theta, because 2 sine square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 whole square. Now this can be written as 1 minus cos 2 theta whole square, and the square of 2 here is 4. Now since you have the highest denominator 8 here, we try to make 8 simply multiplying by 2. So I am multiplying numerator by 2, and at the same time I am also using formula of a minus b whole square here. A square minus 2ab plus b square, and I have to multiply the denominator also by 2, so it comes to be 8 here. Now I multiply each of the term by 2 here in the numerator. So 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 into 2 cos 2 theta is 4 cos 2 theta, 2 into cos square 2 theta is 2 cos square 2 theta divided by 8. Now we got here. Now we all know the formula of 2 cos square 2 theta. So 1 plus, this is 2 cos square 2 theta. Okay, now 4 cos 2 theta. We all know the formula of 2 cos square theta. 2 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta. See, this is taken as theta. 2 cos square theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta by 8. Now let us remove the bracket. Plus cos 4 theta divided by 8. 2 plus 1 gives you 3. Now you have 4 cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta. Now what can you do is, now 2 plus 1 is 3. Now simple, we are going to get the answer. Plus cos 4 theta divided by 8. Now this is the denominator, which can be segregated this way. We can write 3 by 8 separately. We can write 4 cos 2 theta by 8 separately, and we can also write cos 4 theta by 8 separately. So it comes to be 3 by 8. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, minus 1 by 2 cos 2 theta plus 1 by 8 cos 4 theta, which is our right hand side. So we got our left hand side equals to right hand side, proven. We got our left hand side equals to right hand side, proven this way. Okay, I am solving the same problem from the right hand side. Okay, you have this here in the right hand side, so I can take LCM 8 here. So it comes to be 2 minus 2, 4 is 8, 4 into 1 is 4 cos 2 theta plus cos 4 theta. I took a LCM from the right hand side. Now we all know the formula of cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta has several formula. Now we have sine in the right hand side, left hand side, so we'll use the formula of formula where they write the sine. So we all know the formula 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So for same, cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sine square theta plus cos 4 theta. Now here you have cos 4 theta. 4 theta means cos 2 into 2 theta. So your formula would be 2 sine square 2 theta. So 2 is 2, in place of theta you have 2 theta. So in place of this theta you also need to have 2 theta. Or you can simply understand in this way also. Cos 4 theta. When you have 2 theta, you have theta here. Just half of this 2 theta, theta here. Here also you need to have half of this 4 theta is 2 theta in this way. So the cos 4 theta can be written as 1 minus 2 sine square 2 theta divided by the LCM here is 8. Now 3 minus 4 minus plus 4 2s are 8 sine square theta plus 1 minus 2. Now this can be written as sine 2 theta whole square. 2 separately here. Sine square 2 theta can be written as sine 2 theta whole square divided by 8. 3 plus 1 4. 4 minus 4 0. So what is left here is 8 sine square theta minus 2. Now sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta whole square. This is sine 2 theta. Sine theta cos theta whole square. See, 3 plus 1 4. 4 minus 4 0. Cancel. 8 sine square theta minus 2 sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta divided by 8. 8 sine square theta minus 2. 2 square is 4. Sine theta square is sine square theta. Cos theta square is cos square theta divided by 8. Now you have 8 sine square theta here. You also have 4 to the 8 sine square theta here. And you have cos square theta on the other by 8. Okay, you have this thing left here. Now from this part I am solving it further. You have 8 sine square theta common. Now you have 1 minus cos square theta divided by 8. 8 and 8 cancel. You have sine square theta. Now 1 minus cos square theta is also sine square theta. Sine square theta into sine square theta gives you sine power 4 theta, which is our left hand side. This is our left hand side. So this is the next way of proving the same question.